Alright, update number, I don't remember, but we have our roof on. Here, let's just go back and look at that real quick. And I got the metal roof on over the truck. Yeah. That was a pain. We got the electrician coming over Friday. Got all our live edge beams in. Alright. Do. All the way down to our framing for our washroom, which is good times. Alright. So we got the electrician coming. We got the Thursday our double doors, double French doors come in, and our window and our bathroom window. And the little birdies hatched. We're not going near them really, but we can hear them. They're beeping all hours of the day. And we got our spacing and everything for our can lights. We got it labeled and stuff so they can know exactly where to drop the wires and everything. And then we come in the bathroom. We got the window going right there. And oh, I think the mommy bird tried to come back in real quick. Alright. Now we are going out here. Yeah, a lot of work this weekend. We had 2 days, so we finished getting all the tin roof up and everything, and we just built that wall today. That's our inside utility closet. And here, we'll go up here so you can see the top of the roof. There's the roof. She's in, and it matches up with the existing roof, so that's what we wanted. Alright, see you on the next update. Hopefully we'll have these windows and that door and the window up there, and then we got the door for here, it's right there. And we'll have all this zip system in, and then we're gonna level some floors and finish putting zip system all the way around the back side and everything where it needs to go and all that good stuff. So alright, so stay tuned. We'll be up. Ooh, ow. That was my shin. Alright, we'll be updating that next. And there's some tools and everything we had to move out of the electrician's way. And we'll see you next time. Matt signing out.